Koalas are truly fascinating creatures. Did you know they sleep for up to 18 hours a day? That's right. These adorable marsupials spend most of their time snoozing in eucalyptus trees, which is essential for their survival. Their diet is low in nutrients, so they conserve energy by napping. When they're awake, they munch on those eucalyptus leaves, which are toxic to most animals, but perfectly suited for their specialized digestive systems. And while they may look cuddly and calm, koalas can be quite vocal, especially during mating season, with their deep bellowing calls echoing through the forests. Their unique fingerprints even resemble human ones, making them one of the most intriguing animals in the wild.